Good morning, student. Today we will discuss our next topic, sequence and series, chapter 9. In the previous classes we have discussed about arithmetic progression. In this chapter we study arithmetic progression and its other properties such as arithmetic mean, geometrical mean, relation between arithmetic mean and geometrical mean, and another type of sequence which is called geometrical series and its property. So first of all we define sequence. Sequence is nothing but it follows special patterns such as 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Then we have to find its next term. Then we can easily say that it is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Its next series is, next element is 10 and next is 12 because it follow a common ratio, common difference between two number is 2. Other example of this are, in our daily life, the amount of money deposited in a bank over a number of years form a sequence, such as we have deposited 10,000 at the rate of 10%. Rate is rate is 10% for compound interest for time 3 years. Then after each year there is a fixed deposit in a bank. For first year it is 10,000 and next year compound interest is included in this, and next compound interest is also added in this principal amount. So take other examples such as 0, 3, 4, 0, 3, 6 and 9 and so on. This is also a sequence. These are called sequence which follow a special type of pattern or called sequence. Now we have to find its nth term. Then its nth term is 3 into n, where n belong to natural whole number. N belong to whole number. This is its nth term. We have to find any of its term. Now we study series. Series is nothing but it is the relation between any sequence. If we add this series such as 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus so on, then it is called series because there is a relation, summation between these elements. Then it is called series. Next example is 3 plus 6 minus 3 plus 6 minus 9 plus 12 minus 15. This is also a series because there is a relation between these every element. There are one negative term and one is positive term. So it is called series. On the base of this type of sequence and series, we study our exercise. First exercise 9.1, such as taking as question number first. Exercise 9.1, question number first. Write the first 5 term each of the sequence whose nth term is this n into n plus 2. Nth term is given, we have to write its first 5 term. Then put n equal to 1 first of all put n equal to 1, then a1 is 1 into में 1 plus 2, this is 3, put n equal to 2, we get 2 into में 2 plus 2, that is 2 into में 4, this is 6 into 8. Next put n equal to 3, we get its third term, 3 into में 3 plus 2, which is 3 into में 5, 15. Continuous this, we get all the number of term of this sequence. Second is, if an equal to this, an equal to n upon n plus 1, then its 5 term is put n equal to 1, we get n equal to 1, we get 1 upon 1 plus 1, that is 1 by 2, put n equal to 2, we get 2 upon में 2 plus 1, that is 2 by 3, put n equal to 3, we get 3 upon 3 plus 1, which is 3 by 4. Continuous like this, we get all the term of this sequence. Question number 5 is, if an equal to minus 1 to the power n minus 1 into 5 to the power n plus 1, then find its number of 5 term, then determine its first 5 term. Put n equal to 1, we get minus 1 into में 1 minus 1 into 5, 1 plus 1. This is minus 1 to the power 0, minus 1 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 2, that is 25. किसी की भी पावर माइनस किसी की पावर 0 होगी, वो वैल्यू आपके पास 1 हो जाएगी. पुट n इक्वल टू 2, देन minus 1 into 2 minus 1, 5 to the power 2 plus 1, that is minus into में 5 to the power 3, that is minus 125. So on, putting n equal to 3, we get minus 1 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 4, that is 5 to the power 4, 625, and so on. Next, find the indicated term in each of the sequence. Find the indicated term. Take question number 7. If an equal to 4n minus 3 and find a17 and a24. We have to find a17 and a24. Then put n equal to 17, we get a17. A17 is 4 into में 17 minus 3, that is 68 minus 3, that is 65. Put n equal to 24, we get 4 into में 24 minus 3, that is 96 minus 3, this is 93. Next question is question number 9, and this is question number 9. See the question number 9. If an equal to minus 1 to the power n minus 1 into n cube, then find the value of a9. So we put n equal to 9, we get a9. This is a9 equal to minus 1 to the power 9 minus 1, that is 8, into 9 to the power 3. Here minus 1 to the power 8 is plus 1, that is a9 is 9 to the power 3, that is 81 into 9, this is 9 and 729, beats a9. Next, write the first 5 term each of the sequence. Question number 11. See the question number 11. If a1 equal to 3 and an equal to 3 into में a to the power n minus 1 plus 2. For all n is greater than 1. We have to write its first 5 terms. For n equal to 1, a1 is, this is 3. For n equal to 2, we have put the value of n in this term. This is 3 into a 2 minus 1 plus 2, that is 3 into a1 plus 2. This is equal to 3 into 3. a1 is 3. 3 into 3 plus 2, that is 9. 9 plus 2, 11. And a3 is 3 into a3 minus 1 plus 2, that is, this is 3 into a2 plus 2, and a2 is 11. This is 3 into 11 plus 2, this is 35. So a4 is, this is 3 into a4 plus 2, this is 3 into 35 plus 2, and so on. See the question number 14. The sequence is defined as 1 equal to a1 equal to a2 and an equal to an minus 1 plus an minus 2. For n is greater than 2, find an plus 1 upon an. For n is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have to find the value of an plus 1 upon an for n equal to 1. First, let us take for n equal to 1, we get a2 by a1, a2 are, both are 1, this is equal to 1. For n equal to 2, we get, for n equal to 2, we get a3 by a2. Now we have to find the value of a3 from this relation. Put n equal to 3, here we get a3 equal to a2 plus a1. This is 1 plus 1, that is 2. And value of a3 upon a2 is 2 by 1, that is 2. Now next, for n equal to 3, we get an plus 1 upon an is a4 upon a3, that is a4 means a4. This is equal to a3 plus a2, that is 2 plus 1, this is 3. So a4 is 3 and a3 is 2, this is 3 by 2. Similarly, we can find the value of for n equal to 4 and 5. This is our exercise 9.1.